Friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discuss about how to scroll our mobile app. Okay. For this, I'm going to take for this app on demo one. Okay, here I can able to click for app in and then app in. Then I'm going to see for this wallpaper whether it is available or not. Okay. This is the one we are going to do for today. And this I'm going to use for scrollable functionality. This scrollable functionalities comes here. Okay, it will provide some functions. What exactly we can deprecated this one. Newly there are some deprecated some methods are there. That will be a change or something. Okay, we need to use for the old versions how we can able to use the scrolling. Okay, and this is a Android. Which element is click or something you can use for by using for Android. Then you can use it your path. Okay. Now before that, I'll first we can find app activity of that particular app. Okay, adb still. Okay, and here we need to use for dumpsys window displays type symbol a grep and iPhone capital E, then M current focus single quotation and now this is my app activity and package. Okay, first I will create for my file that is called tc04 underscore scroll. Okay, dot robot. I'll minimize this one. I'll copy this code and this is my last video. Okay, simple way how we can able and all like showing here. Okay, in case if I missed out something and if you feel that some topic need to be covered, let me know, then I'll try to update that code and video for you. Okay, in case if you feel something you need, you are not able to find it, and you can provide the app and something, and I will try my side, and also I will update for that codings for you. Okay, now I'm going to start hitting for that particular have to find the locators. We'll create for one by one. This is my app. I have to identify this particular app. Okay, this is my text. What is the path of this? And this is the path, right? I'll copy. I'll paste it here because we need to find that exact path, right? This is my class. I'll change this class. Okay, my text is app. I'll copy this one and I'll go here. First, we can click for that particular app. Okay, then once we click that particular app, it will navigate into inside this, and here we can click for activity. Okay, activity. This is also same, just we need to paste it for here app activity. Once we click the app activity, what will happen is we need to scroll down into this particular location. Okay, I'll refresh. Now my app is here. Okay, this purpose I have already created for UiScrollable thing. Element should be visible and Android. A new UiScrollable and new UI selector and scroll into the view, and we are going to check this particular element whether it is present or not. Okay. I'm going to copy in here and paste in here. Okay. This is the US selector. US scrollable functionality. By using the scrollable functionality, we are going to scroll in the element. Okay. Our script will be fail because we need to do for whenever you've done the first time, right? It will show some settings and all that I have not done. I'll show you what exactly to show that errors and all. I'll close this one and we'll minimize. And we can start for robot and TC04 and tab symbol. This is my file and I can scroll this particular view. Okay. Our API hits, but it because see here there is a continue button. First, we can launch our server to find those elements and we can hit it. Okay. Now this is my continue button purpose and this is my continue. Android widget and this is called a button and the name called is a continue. Before that we need to change this one because here we need to click right and I'll place it down and I'll place it down two times because two required actually. I'll copy this one and again I will paste it here. Okay. After clicking on continue, again it will give one more thing is a OK button and come back here and refresh. OK button key and you can use button. Just OK is the only change. Go it here and change it into OK. Okay. Now we are in the shape. Now we can now again I will run it. Now this time we can see some progress. At least we can click continue. Okay. Not match it. It's not able to wait until that. Okay. Uh, wait element to be visible and I'll copy because it need to be navigated because of that. Sometimes it will be happen. Again, I'll mention here as well. Wait because in case if something is failed, again we can see some failures also. Honey, you know, it's failing again. Okay, button clicks. Okay, it is okay button. You need to change the name. It is a button actually. Now my test case got passed. Even you can see wallpaper is in down. Right? Like this we can do it for our scrolling as well. Okay. I hope it this entire information helped for you. Thank you for watching and please do subscribe and share to your friends and colleagues. Thank you.